Hey, what's up YouTube? Antonio here once again with another Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor video. So this is a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria PB7 package that is now ready to be sold. The vehicle is obviously a one owner. Obviously it's a clean title. We do not sell anything that is salvage, okay? The miles are about 116,418 with the idle being at 4,760. If you have any questions about the vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us at 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage for full details on the vehicle and more description, more pictures, not just this car, but the other Interceptors that we have in stock. Okay, so and remember guys, all of our cars do come with a 3-month or 3,000 mile limited powertrain service contract, engine, transmission, differentials. Okay, so anyways, and guys, I really appreciate you guys watching, taking the time. I really work hard on these cars to make sure that they are at my expectation. So with that being said, let's go. 2011 Crown Victoria PB7. This vehicle is equipped with Goodyear RSA, Goodyear Eagle RSA 235 55 17s, all the way around, good tire life remaining. There's one hole that was covered with a cap, and then there's a few other holes that were actually covered as well with no cap, but they are covered. The vehicle looks like it's a flex fuel. We will have to verify that with Ford. We never go off the actual gas cap nor the emission stickers because we just don't know if those were ever replaced. If that may not be the original gas cap or the original hood. We don't know, so I'd rather give them the VIN number and they'll be able to tell me if it's a flex fuel vehicle or not. And that information will be either on the description or on the actual web page. All right, perfect. So now let's show you the inside. Driver's door. Does not feel like it has ballistics panel on the front door, okay, but it does have power seats, okay, which is well, unlike the 10s, 11s, they're more common, but this one is got power seats. Here we go. Okay, we got a minor stain here on the seat. My detailer spent quite the time trying to get it out, and we tried and we couldn't get it out, so we do apologize for that. This does have a dome light and it does work. Okay, there's some patches on the seat. Okay, all right, let's show you the back. All right. Perfect. Now let's show you the trunk. Perfect. Passenger rear door. passenger front. Perfect. Here's the engine compartment. All right. So there you go, guys. 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. Actually, sorry, let me show you the miles and the idle. So we have 4760 on the idle and 116418 on the miles. Perfect. All right, guys, so sorry about that, but anyways, there you go, guys. There you guys have it. 2011 Crown Victoria that is now ready to be sold. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Consider hitting the like button and for the YouTube algorithm, and consider subscribing. But the most important thing, guys, again, I really appreciate it, but for me, it's the most important thing is that you guys have a blessed rest of the day. Okay, so I really mean that, and thank you for watching, guys, again, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.